If your hair has become dry, rough, and difficult to manage, this homemade mustard oil hair spa is worth trying. Start with 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. It's naturally rich in omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, along with vitamin E, making it a nourishing choice for dry, weak hair. Now add 2 tablespoons of fresh curd. Curd is a natural source of protein and contains lactic acid. Protein supports the hair shaft, while lactic acid helps remove excess buildup from the scalp, leaving the hair feeling soft after washing. Next, add 1 tablespoon of fresh aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is known for its soothing and hydrating properties, helping the scalp feel refreshed, while making the mixture easier to spread from roots to ends. To finish, add 5 to 6 drops of rosemary essential oil. Rosemary has become one of the most talked about ingredients in hair care after a well-known study found it performed similarly to 2% minoxidil in supporting hair growth over time. Whisk everything together until the mixture is smooth and creamy. Apply it to your scalp first, then work it through the lengths of your hair so every strand is evenly coated. Leave it on for 30 to 45 minutes. When it's time to wash, rinse it off with a gentle sulfate-free shampoo. What's your favorite DIY hair treatment? I'd love to know what works best for you. Share it in the comments.